Hello, in this tutorial I only want to show the source code to some people who ask me that they want to see the source code of the application that I'm creating now. So I will explain why I put this, why I use the property on this. Today I only want to show the source code and the code and how to connect the JSON file to my application in SWIFTUI. So this is the only thing that I will make it today. And now we will see. Let me open my app. So here, Living Rooms is the name. I didn't switch on my Mac since yesterday because of it takes time. Yeah, we will see. Okay. I will say I wouldn't explain anything. I only will show the code, the source code. Maybe in another tutorial I will make a tutorial while I'm creating the app. But now I just arrived from my work, and I'm so really tired. And I'm making this video because I promised some of you that I will make this. Since today, I couldn't make it because I had a really busy week. So we will wait. Okay, this close and this I will open. Okay. We'll make the full part. Okay. First we are in the content view. This is the content view. We will see. Okay, the content view. So here I will show. So here I will show. I put this, but this doesn't make any sense because until now I hasn't worked with core data. Yeah. I was listening the Apple documentation, but until now I didn't have any time to read the whole thing because of I hasn't used core data in this app. Persistence, normally I want to read about it. So in next tutorial, next video, I can make a tutorial about this. Yeah, okay. I can delete this from here, that you don't get confused. And so, okay. So this is the content view. Here we will see. You see here, this is the segment. That's that we declare. Here is the segment. That is here. That is from here. This here. That is here. That's the segment. Okay. That's inside of the table view. So the list. Search. That is the search from the imaging system name. That is here. That's icon. And this is answer text field that is here from search. So as you can see here, so okay, now we will see. I will make it so slow that you can see the whole code. Okay, that's here. This is the, I will show you later. So living data, this is for the data from the file, from the JSON file. Okay, here I will show you all later. Look more. I use the presentation links because I wanted to try, but I really like it from this app, the presentation view. That when we click one of this picture, one of the item, and then we display the detail, but I didn't like this. I will play the live view. So we'll see. Listen. Okay. So here we see this is the star, the image that we use it from the system name from Apple. So this is this image here. Okay, and this is a bubble dock left field. That's icon here from comment or the mess. Okay, and here we declare the day formatter. The formatter, that is for the datum. Today is Friday, July 26, 2019. So, answer my preview doesn't want to display it. Okay, maybe I will have to run the application from the simulator. Okay, that's here the names. That is this name. This tells text view that we display here. The name. Okay. In here, that's text living room message. That is the comment. That is here. Everything, every name that you see here, like a message. What is the other one? Names. And what is the other one? And living room image. Everything. This is the thing that it is in the JSON file here. Okay. So is that's here. This is dock navigation bar items trailing. This is why this is in the right side, and loading it is in the left side. This is here. This is the logo. This is the logo from my app. It's here. Let me see. Until now, it doesn't have any views inside. You can display anything. So, okay. This is for more. This is more detail about what is inside. Why include this apartment? So include full equipped kitchen with cookware, plates and dishes. That is everything that is here in this apartment. That is the detail. So on here, as you can see here, say reserve. If you click here in reserve, then we display here to choose the data, the day, for example, how long you will stay there, how many days. And if you click here, then we display this. But for now, they will only display the date from today. The date from today, yeah, 26 July 2019. So it's 2019. Okay, close it, and then we'll go away. And here the same. Okay, here the same. Okay, and now the map, the location. Until now I has allocate the user location. For example, if I'm here in Germany, like now I'm in Germany, and then I want that when I open the application, the app will localize where I am, and we say okay in Germany. And so for now, this is the for the Apple from the that is included in the Google Map for USA. And so okay, now okay, let's start. Okay, now we know this. Let me close this. Okay, now you see here we add the dark mode, the screen, that we put everything in dark mode. If you, for example, now we're not making now because my preview doesn't want to can't preview in this file. I don't know why. That's sometimes like this. Okay, now you saw everything here. Yeah, you saw. Okay, that's so. Okay. Okay, now we go to login here. Let's go to login view where the login stay. Okay, let me go up. UR key out. It is, I don't use UR key. How I told you, I wanted to try something, but I couldn't. I didn't make it. So as you can see here, stay private bar email. So that's shown the email. Stay private bar password, login, and so here login, get email, get password. That is okay. I will explain this better later. So stay identify, even authenticable, enable, authenticable, disable. So you can see here we are in the login view. Okay, look. And so here normally I didn't have to enter any text here, any placeholder, because in secure file doesn't show anything here. That's a secure. Because of the, you can see anything here. It is empty. So I will show you slow, langsam. Okay, that's the code. Sorry if you can't understand this now, but I wanted to make this video now, so that you can see the code, and maybe you can try to do this now, because today I can't make it today. I can't make it the app today because, how I told you, I come from working. This week was so really hard, and now here in Germany it is 37 grad, 37 grad degree. So here and sorry for my English I'm busy bleh. And my voice I'm busy down because I'm sweat so feeling it. So here I go up again. Okay, you could see I go down again. And again and again. Okay, I will make this that you can recognize. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the detail parts, detail view. Now we will see this. Let's go up. Okay. Here we call it software property state. So here this answer state, detail view. Here too we have the dates. That is Friday, July 26, 2019. If you click here, I have to control this, that when I click one of these, we only feel one. When I click two, we feel these two. When I click three, we feel the three. When I feel the last one, we feel. When I click the last one, we feel everything. When I click here, yeah, we empty every star. Okay, as you can see here, here we declare this. It's reserved. That's properties we declare from here, from this. It's the server, and the other one, the show alert. I hasn't had anything in show alert. I wanted to show alert when I click one of the four, that will come a message that say, oh, thank you, welcome to this and this and this, if you want one, and some messenger and so vital, and something like that. Okay, let's go down. The detail here, as you can see here, for the detail view, we have to use a X stack, because we want that the image will be up that the text will be up the picture. Because of this, we use X stack. Yeah, and then okay, as you can see here, we have the same like in the content view. Here out here too. If we for example, if we write a comment, we the comment here will be displayed out, will be shown out in content view, but until now I hasn't programmed it because of the time. I don't have almost any time to do this now. So here you can see the detail. This is the name from the scene here. This is the detail. The image, yeah, here. Okay. And for example, if we want to use the image, the detail, everything that it is in the JSON file, and we declare, and we, for example, I want to show, for example, here, if you want to use the image, you have to call this. Why? Because look, that's here, and everything that you want to display in another view, you have to use this, because here there is every information that there is in JSON file. So okay, let's go to the table. Okay, as you can see, as you see here, I declare, so I put soft fill button. This is for the image, for the star, for the like, for the put. If you button self, it's like zero torch. Okay, down fill up. Okay, I know how I can start. So let's make it so that you can recognize what is. So okay, sorry that I don't explain anything yet. I'm so really tired. Normally I wanted to do this tomorrow, because tomorrow I have Friday, I have free day, I don't have to work tomorrow. Well, I come earlier today to home from work, then okay, let me do this now. Even I don't explain now, I show the code. Well, I think that there is a chat in YouTube. I guess there is a chat in YouTube, and maybe I can send you the source code file for chat. If you know what is the chat, you can write me, and then I can send you the source code in the chat from YouTube. I can send you the whole source code, everything. You only have to looking for image. Yeah. So don't pay attention to this code that is in comment. So, and you put this code here for what? Because if we put every code, everything, we put the whole code, everything, but this image will be onto here, from here onto down, from here to down, full, and only from the clear this, the image will be correct ganz oben, complete up, muy arriba, totalmente hacia arriba. Y so, and so, yeah, as you can see here too, when I want to use data from the JSON file, I always have to use this, because here there is every data that we want to display in this view here. And if you want, you can put 1, you can put 2, because for 1 they will show, for example, the information that is in the 1, in the number 1, in the put null, the information that is in the null. For example, here null, ne? Okay, let's go here. We go up here, null. This is every information that is here. If you put 1, we will see now. What it is, I was in the tail. So, and then let me see. So, okay, now we have everything there. You can see this. Look, this is the image that was in the 1 position and the information that was in the 1 position. Why? Because this is the ID. And you look, there is too a comment. Yeah, look, there is a comment. If you put 3, if you put 2, will display the information that is in the with the ID 2. Another picture, and so vital. And another name, pretty. The other name was comfortable. Now relajante, relax. And another picture too. And another information. And there is any comment here. There is no comment here. So. And so it's okay. Let me go in the null again. So let me go up again, that you can see. Okay, now let's go in loading view. What is loading view? I wanted to use loading view that when I scroll the image down, here will show me a loading, like it is loading some full, and then update. So let me go there. Okay, here this is the information folder you have to use. UI kit. You will see, will show this here. Let me play live view. Let me put this in. Let me see if I can put in dark color. Shine dark. Let me see. No, I can use this here. Let's say I have to move. What are they? Color shine. As you can see, look, it is loud and something. Yeah. No, this code doesn't have to go there. So cool. It will be the whole time, so louder. Okay, so this is the the code for this, for display the. You only have to import your kit. So for this, okay, now let's go in map. This is the basic map code that was shown in the WWDC 19 from Apple presentation. Let's go there. Yeah, let's go there. This is the normal map. Here, this is the map. Apple Maps. Legal. Assuming, okay. Now let's go to JSON file. Here I declare some property, some function to pass the data that is in JSON file. Let's go here. Okay, now you saw the map here. Here, as you can see, this is the living data. So that is for pass. This is for pass and connect JSON file to our apps. You have to declare this. Yeah. Here, this is the name of our JSON file. Here, rent.json. Okay, that is that. So you have to write the code. So you only have to change the name that you want to, the name that you, whatever you want. Here out to the name whatever you want. But here you have to declare everything here how it is. And we use load because it is more specific to that we know why load. What does it mean load? Okay, that's specific that this is load the JSON file in our application. Okay, this is it. You have to, and for this you have to declare this in import. You have to make a new file, and you have to check select Swift, no SWIFTUI, Swift, only Swift. Okay, now let's go to living.info Swift, and here this is the information that is on in my JSON file. In the JSON file we have this, so you have to you must to declare this out too. You have to first to make a new file, and you have to select again only Swift, no SWIFTUI, only Swift. Okay, and then if you want to use a hashable, codeable, identifiable, if you want to use the property, that you have to import Swift because you only can use this in Swift. Yeah, and here too, case iterable, codeable, hashable. So look, this is the ID. Okay, here this is the names. This is the names here. This is the image, the tell, the message, the tell, more. I declare more because this will show more detail when we click one of the picture in content view in the home page. So when we click one to see more detail about, for example, this apartamento, here more, it is for this. I will show you now. More, it is here. I don't know where is more, I declare more here. Where I use more. This is the detail view. Yeah, the detail view. It's here more. For what are you more? It is here more. Okay, more here. More we display that's here. More. This is everything that is in more. For example, more detail. Because of it is written. If you touch here, if you touch more, we display detail more. It is here. Detail. Why detail here? Because I declare detail every information that it is in here in the living room. We pass to detail. We can use with detail. Here, image we can use with detail, so and so by and so and like this. Because of the okay, let's go again to, and as you can see here, a unit you use a init. We declare again, we pass again id int. This is number enter integer number. Okay, names string, image string, message string, detail string, more string too. Okay, and here we pass self id equal to id self and so on and like that. Okay, that's here. I didn't use in the thing. I only declare the extra code, but I don't use this in the thing. Okay, now let's go in our file, JSON file. That's what I want to show you. I declare this in an array. As you can see, I want to show you an app that I download that only if you pass, for example, the JSON file in this app. Let me go in the app that maybe you can download this app too. You can use it. Is really interesting here. Pass JSON as code quick type. Let me open this app. Okay, you will see. This is the name. You go in App Store in the Mac. So you write pass JSON as code. Let me see. I think you are hitting the phone for my Mac. It is still out. I have to fix it. I have to bring it because I buy this Mac 3 months or so ago. Doesn't want to open this. Okay, doesn't want to open. So okay, I want to show you the JSON file. This is everything that is in JSON file. The ID, names, image, message, detail, more. This is everything that is displayed in more, where I show you now in detail view. Now when you click in the bottom, then they will display in the bottom more, they will display this information that is in the apartment. And so is. So if you see, you separate, when you put songs, you separate everything. I'm so really tired. So here, that's rehearse, that's beyond to this. That's beyond to this, and to launch, because of the, you see that in the launch app, launch my logo and the color. I put my color here like a launch app, and the code and the and the color. Let me see. Happen again. So let me go here, let me go here, let me go here, let me go here. What was the thing? What was the problem? An alternate, a role, either team functionality, maybe alignment. So what was? It doesn't care for now. Okay. I only wanted to show the symbol. I'm not in this now. So, okay, and here, as you can see, so as first I want to show you the thing. Let me show you so at first. Here, living data. Okay, now because we have so many information in our app from JSON, so if you want to launch our app, for this we have to put, because a content view have information from JSON file, and then for this, if you want to launch our app in content view, we have to make the same that we make here. Let me show you. So the same, so that we can run our app. Let me run the app again. Let me do the file here. As you can see, this is the logo. This is my app, LivingRooms. This is the app that I'm developing from a customer. From Austria, from Österreich, Austria, yeah, Österreich in Deutsch in German, from Austria. Okay, that's the same. So and that was everything for this tutorial. I don't know if you when I like what I told you. I'm so tired now, but I wanted to do this because in today's I'd say that I wanted to make this, even this is not so perfect. I really wanted to show the source code. I share this code. Normally I couldn't show you this code because this is the app that I'm developing for a client, and then, but I wanted to show you because I say that I promise that this was like a promise that I will show the source code, and because of the I'm making the tutorial. But normally this is a private code, source code. So if you like it, give a like. If you don't like it, it's okay. It's okay. I'm certified, however. So if you like it, give a like. If you don't like it too, subscribe. Click on the bell, activate the bell if you want to receive a real tutorial when I will be more power, when I will have more power. Yeah, we are still making more tutorial about SwiftUI, explaining how you can go more deep in the SwiftUI, because this is a new language, a new framework from Apple, and then I have to go more deep, and because of the time I can, until now I hasn't made so many videos from tutorial about Swift, but I will do it. When I have the time, I will make this. only active the campaign, feel as you will receive a surprise. Oh, app designer to up a video. So, and this is, I hope you like it, and if you don't like it, it's okay too. I know I didn't sound so woo from this tutorial. So see you.